That's why the courts will determine criminal liability, but the society, the Jamaican society, must examine cultural liability. Because why are all disputes reaching this point at all? We're quick to escalate. Why are cooling off mechanisms absent? Why is mediation not an instinctive response? Why is walking away perceived as weakness? So this is a warning to Jamaicans generally, because it's a marker moment, not because it is unprecedented, but because it reflects a trend. What we're witnessing is what I call low emotional thresholds, high volatility, and weaponization of just about any everyday object. Public confrontation with catastrophic outcomes.